Media clips. Media files such as video and audio enhance the understanding of a presentation.
Sometimes we believe that using a media file rather than text will help us explain our views more effectively.
Adding a video file.
You can add video files in your presentation. The video file can be played at a particular time while running a slideshow. To add a video to the presentation, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Click on Video command on the Insert tab on the ribbon to open Insert Video dialog box. Step 2. Navigate and select the video file to be inserted and click on Insert button. This will insert the video along with the play control bar at the bottom of the clip. Step 3. Click on button to preview the video. Adding sound.
You can also add audio files in your presentation. The audio file can be used as background music or for explaining your point in a slide. To add a sound to the presentation, follow the steps given below.
Step 1. Click on Audio command on the Insert tab. A drop-down list appears. Step 2. Select the audio from File option. The Insert Audio dialog box appears. Step 3. Navigate and select the audio file to be inserted and click on Insert button. This will insert a speaker icon on the slide. Step 4. Click on Play button to listen the audio. You can also add your own voice as a narration or commentary to the topic of presentation.
To do this, a microphone is needed to be attached to the computer. Once the microphone is attached, follow these steps.
Step 1. Click on the drop-down arrow below the Audio command on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Select Record Audio option to open Record Sound dialog box. Step 3. Click on Record button to start recording your voice. Step 4. Click on Stop button to stop recording. Step 5. Click on OK button to insert the audio on the slide. The audio clip once inserted can be deleted by selecting the speaker icon inserted on the slide and pressing Delete or Del key from the keyboard.